Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video is helpful. I've basically lived and breathed dance my entire life. Feel free to check out some of my other videos. We're going to talk about timing, stretching, and safety. Dancers use counts of 8 with musical timing. The easiest way is to count to the beat. We're going to try a single time and a double time exercise. You can simply count to 8 with the beat or do whatever movement feels best for you. If you like any of the music I'm using in this video, you can find the links in the description below. Here's an easy warm-up. You can do it to any song at any speed. That will also improve your timing. You should do this to 1 or 2 songs at the very least. Don't worry about technique. Know your personal limits and only stretch to where is comfortable for you. Try and use your full range of motion. This one is tricky, but will get easier the more you do it. If you routinely even attempt this movement, you'll notice your muscle memories start to kick in. Moving your hips is fun. Embrace it. This first stretch is a gentle way to build leg flexibility. You don't have to touch the floor immediately or ever. Remember only to stretch to where is comfortable for you. Hips, legs, and your upper body should all be pointing the same direction. Pause and extend before each movement. This will help you remember to breathe and activate different muscles. Thanks for watching. See you soon.